Something just showed up in the data that every dividend investor needs to see. The big institutional money, the hedge funds, are quietly buying one dividend ETF and dumping another. They're loading up on SCHD and they're selling VYM. At the same time, regular retail investors are also piling into SCHD. So the smart money and the crowd seem to agree for once. But here's the twist that makes this genuinely interesting. Wall Street analysts, the ones writing the price targets, actually think VYM has more upside. So you've got hedge funds, retail investors, and analysts, three groups not fully agreeing. Who's right? And what should you actually do with your money? I pulled the real numbers. Stick with me because the answer is more useful than just picking a side. Here's the plan. First, the actual verified data, exactly what hedge funds and retail investors did with SCHD and VYM. Then, why the smart money is leaning toward SCHD. Next, the twist. Why analysts disagree and see more in VYM. And finally, a straight answer on what this means for you and which fund actually fits your goals. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer. This is educational analysis using published data, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Fund flows and analyst opinions change, and following institutional money blindly is not a strategy. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before investing. Let me give you the real numbers because this isn't a vague headline. There's actual data behind it. According to TipRank's hedge fund tracking tool, over the last quarter, hedge funds increased their position in SCHD by about 69,600 shares. Over that same period, they reduced their holdings in VYM by about 46,000 shares. So the institutional money moved in two directions at once, into SCHD, out of VYM. That's the headline. The smart money tilted toward Schwab's dividend fund and away from Vanguard's. Now, I want to be honest about the scale here, because context matters. These are not earth-shattering billions flooding out numbers. A shift of 69,000 shares in and 46,000 out, in funds this size, is a meaningful lean. A signal of preference, not a dramatic stampede. So don't picture hedge funds dumping VYM in a panic. Picture them quietly rotating their preference toward SCHD. That's the accurate read. And here's the part that makes it more interesting. Retail investors, regular people like you and me, are doing the same thing. TipRank's data shows retail investors bought more SCHD than VYM over the past week and the past month. So for once, the institutions and the crowd are pointing the same direction toward SCHD. When the smart money and the retail money agree, it's worth paying attention. Not because they're always right, they're not, but because it tells you something about where sentiment is flowing right now. And right now, the flow favors SCHD over VYM. So why is the money leaning toward SCHD over VYM? It comes down to a few real differences between these two funds. First, yield. Despite the name VYM, the high dividend yield fund actually pays less than SCHD right now. SCHD paid about $1.06 per share over the past year, which on its roughly $32 price is about a 3.3% yield. VYM paid about $3.51 per share, but on its much higher $158 price, that's only around 2.2%. So SCHD is delivering noticeably more income per dollar invested. For income-focused investors, that's a big deal. Second, quality. SCHD runs a stricter screen. It only includes companies that have paid dividends for at least 10 straight years, and then filters them further on cash flow, return on equity, and balance sheet strength. VYM casts a wider net, around 600 stocks, requiring only a recent history of above-average dividends. So SCHD is more concentrated and more selective. VYM is broader and more diversified. Institutions chasing quality income lean SCHD. Third, recent performance. In 2026 so far, SCHD has outperformed, up around 19% year-to-date versus VYM's roughly 11 to 12%. Over the last 10 years, SCHD also edged ahead, returning about 229% versus VYM's 201%. So on a full-cycle basis, SCHD's quality screen has paid off. Money tends to follow performance, and SCHD has been winning lately. Put those together, higher yield, stricter quality, better recent and long-term returns, and you can see why both hedge funds and retail are tilting toward SCHD right now. But here's the twist, and this is where most people would oversimplify and get it wrong. Because while the money is flowing into SCHD, the analysts, the Wall Street professionals who set price targets, actually see more upside in VYM. Both funds carry the same moderate buy consensus rating. But when you look at the upside analysts' project from current prices, they see more room to run in VYM than in SCHD. How can that be if SCHD has been the better performer? Here's the logic. Part of it is exactly because SCHD has run up so much. SCHD is up around 19% this year and near its highs. When something has already climbed a lot, there's sometimes less room left to go. VYM, having lagged, may have more catching up to do if value and dividend stocks keep rallying. Analysts are forward-looking. They're not asking who won last year, they're asking who has more room next year. There's also the 5-year picture, which flips the story. Over the past 5 years, VYM actually beat SCHD, returning about 71% versus SCHD's 50%. That's because VYM's heavier weighting in megacaps and financials led during that stretch. So, depending on which window you look at, the winner changes. 5 years, VYM, 10 years, and 2026, SCHD. So now you understand the real situation. It's not smart money versus dumb money. It's 3 groups weighing different things. Hedge funds and retail are buying SCHD for its current quality and income. Analysts see more potential upside in the lagging VYM. Both views can be reasonable at the same time because they're answering different questions. So what should you do? Don't buy SCHD just because hedge funds did. Their goals, timelines, and strategies are very different from yours. Instead, choose based on your needs. If you want higher dividend income, SCHD is the stronger option with a higher yield and stricter quality standards. If you prefer broader diversification, VYM's larger portfolio may suit you better. You can even own both to combine income with wider market exposure. The key lesson: invest according to your financial goals, not because someone else is buying this week. The real lesson goes beyond SCHD or VYM. When you see headlines about smart money, don't follow them blindly. Ask who's buying, why they're buying, and whether their goals match yours. Hedge funds, analysts, and retail investors often reach different conclusions because they measure success differently. Great investing isn't about copying others. It's about understanding the data and choosing what fits your own financial goals. That's what leads to better long-term decisions. To sum it up, hedge funds and many retail investors are buying SCHD, thanks to its higher dividend yield, quality holdings, and strong recent performance. Meanwhile, analysts see greater upside in VYM, which has also outperformed SCHD over the past 5 years. The takeaway isn't that one fund is right and the other is wrong. It's that each serves different investment goals. Choose the one that matches yours, or consider owning both. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you Team SCHD or Team VYM, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. Subscribe so you don't miss the next update when these fund flows and the next reconstitution shift the picture again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.